Prefabricated homes, also known as prefabs, are becoming increasingly popular around the world due to their cost effectiveness and environmental benefits. These homes are factory built and then assembled on site, which means that they can be constructed quicker and with less impact on the environment than traditional brick and mortar homes. Prefab homes come in a variety of designs and styles that can be customized to meet the needs of the homeowner. Some popular options include the all-wood Avalon Prefab Cabin Kit, which is available on Amazon and includes everything you need to build a cozy one-bedroom, one-bathroom cabin. EcoHouse Smart Company's Prefab Do-It-Yourself Building Cabin Home, which is built from northern spruce and features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1,879 square feet of living space. Other prefab options include the Rancher Sierra, Lakeview, and Pocono, which have approximately 400 square feet of living area. Additionally, the Park Models cabins, which are ready to use with a finished interior and appliances, make your setup easier than ever. Prefab homes can be a great option for those looking to build a dream home quickly and affordably. Some major benefits include the advantage of pre-homes and their cost effectiveness. Because they are built in a factory setting, prefab homes can be constructed more quickly and with fewer labor costs than traditional homes. This can result in significant savings for the homeowner. Another benefit of prefab homes is their environmental impact. Because they are built in a factory setting, prefab homes generate less construction waste than traditional homes, which can help reduce the overall environmental impact of the building process. In addition, prefab homes can often be built using eco-friendly materials and technologies, such as solar panels and energy-efficient appliances, which can help reduce their overall carbon footprint. Prefab homes come in a variety of designs and styles and can be customized to meet the needs of the homeowner. Some popular options include cabin-style prefab homes, which are often used as vacation homes or retreats. Modern minimalist prefab homes, which are designed to maximize energy efficiency and minimize environmental impact. In summary, prefab homes offer a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar construction. They can be customized to meet the needs of the homeowner and are available in a range of styles and designs to suit different preferences. Where can I buy a prefab home? There are a variety of places where you can buy a prefabricated home. Some options include prefab home manufacturers. Many companies specialize in the production of prefab homes and sell directly to consumers. You can search online for prefab home manufacturers in your area or look for national companies that ship homes to your location. Home builders are another option. Some home builders offer prefab homes as part of their portfolio of services. You can search online for home builders in your area who offer prefab options or contact local builders to inquire about their availability. Online retailers are another option. Some online retailers, such as Amazon, offer prefab cabin kits that can be purchased and shipped directly to your location. Finally, real estate agents can offer great benefit in helping you buy a prefab home. Some real estate agents specialize in the sale of prefab homes and can help you find the perfect prefab home for your needs. When shopping for a prefab home, it's important to do your research and compare prices and options from multiple sources to ensure you get the best deal. It's also a good idea to carefully review the terms of any purchase or lease agreement before making a decision. What's the average cost? The cost of a prefabricated home can vary widely depending on a number of factors, including the size of the home, the materials used, the level of customization, and the location of the home. According to data from the National Association of Home Builders, the median cost of a prefabricated home in the United States was $100,000 as of 2021. However, it's worth noting that this figure is just a rough estimate and the actual cost of a prefab home may be higher or lower depending on the specific factors mentioned above. To get a more accurate estimate of the cost of a prefab home, it's best to contact prefab home manufacturers or builders in your area and request a quote based on your specific needs and preferences. Some factors that can affect the cost of a prefab home include the size. Larger prefab homes will typically cost more than smaller homes due to the increased materials and labor required to build them. Materials. The type of materials used in the construction of prefab homes can also impact the cost. For example, using high-end materials or specialized techniques may result in a higher overall cost. Customization. Customizing the prefab home to meet your specific needs and preferences, such as adding additional rooms or features, may also increase the cost. Location. The location of the prefab home can also affect the overall cost. For example, building in an area with a high labor or material cost may result in a higher overall price. Another important question to consider is, will you be able to install the home yourself, or will you need to hire somebody else? Whether or not you will be able to install a prefabricated home yourself will depend on a variety of factors, including your level of experience and expertise in construction, the size and complexity of the home, and the specific installation instructions provided by the manufacturer. In some cases, prefab homes are delivered in the form of a cabin kit or other DIY package that includes all of the materials and instructions needed to assemble the home. These kits are often designed to be installed by the homeowner or a team of handy individuals with basic construction skills. However, it's worth noting that assembling a prefab home can be a complex and time-consuming process, and it may be advisable to hire a professional contractor or builder if you are not confident in your ability to complete the project. On the other hand, some prefab homes are delivered as fully assembled units and can be installed by a professional contractor. In these cases, the manufacturer or builder will typically provide installation services as part of the overall cost of the home. It's important to carefully review the installation instructions provided by the manufacturer or builder before making a decision about whether to install the prefab home yourself or hire a professional. If you are unsure about your ability to complete the project, it may be safer and more cost-effective to hire a professional to ensure the installation is done correctly and meets all necessary building codes and regulations. Now let's talk plumbing and sewage, some of the not-so-glamorous aspects of getting a living space up and running, but extremely critical for the functionality of your home. The ease of getting plumbing and water running in a prefabricated home will depend on the specific location and setup of the home, as well as the availability of utilities in the area. In most cases, prefab homes are designed to be connected to the local water and sewage systems in the same way as traditional homes. This typically involves installing pipes and fixtures to connect the home to the main water and sewage lines, as well as installing appliances and fixtures such as sinks, toilets, and showers. If the prefab home is being installed in an area with access to these utilities, the process of getting plumbing and water running should be relatively straightforward. However, if the prefab home is being installed in a remote location or an area without access to traditional water and sewage systems, additional steps may be required to set up these services. For example, the home may need to be equipped with a well or septic tank, or water may need to be transported to the home using tanks or other means. In these cases, it may be necessary to hire a professional plumber or a contractor to handle the installation and ensure that the plumbing and water systems are set up properly. Overall, the ease of getting plumbing and water running in a prefab home will depend on the specific circumstances of the home and the resources available in the area. It may be necessary to work with a professional to ensure that the plumbing and water systems are installed correctly and meet all necessary building codes and regulations.